Okay, I'll just show you how to delete a mobile from the Bluetooth audio system in this 2014 Land Rover Discovery commercial. So from any screen, if we go to phone, click the phone button here, then you've got select phone, click OK, select phone. Then you've got delete or Barry's iPhone 12 to actually select it. There's an arrow at the side of delete, so we click the arrow at the side, and there's only my phone connected at the moment, so we click to delete Barry's iPhone. Do you want to delete Barry's iPhone? OK, or if not, we just click the arrow down to cancel. So I've clicked OK, that's it, the phone's gone.